iria CRA nikiugite ari bata wa kurora na njira nene kigina kiria gikoragwo gikigiathiririo kaunti itiganite na makiria kaunti ciothe 47 maugite hari bata wa kigina giki kuongererwo niguo gutigirira ati tabarira ngurani na makiria cia uthii wa na mbere ni ciakinyira aikari na njira iria yagiriire. Governor wa kaunti ya Elgeyo Marakwet ni umwe wa ritana riri ka miaka 10 neonanetie ati hari na mwihoko wa kigina giki kingihũthĩrwo ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire na koguo agĩkĩaritana kũrĩ thirikari nene gũtigĩrĩra ati ũndũ ũyũ nĩ wakorwo ũkĩrorwo na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire.
With the fourth basis of revenue sharing, taking input from the users or the recipients of the resources or the beneficiaries of the formula that we'll come up with. We don't want to be very generic. We want to be very, very tailor-made. We want to come up with a formula that considers the unique challenges of every county. And that is, we want to promise Kenyans that the next formula will be a bit versatile. It will not be very rigid, so that those who have unique challenges, and out of that, the county assembly, for example, taking about 100 million to over 1 billion shillings. You see, iko tabu hapo.
For the last 10 years, we still feel that we were disenfranchised. We were actually unfairly, didn't get our fair share as a county compared to the challenges that we are facing as a county in terms of terrain, in terms of poverty, and in terms of historical injustice. A county that had been neglected, we really thought that with devolution would have been among the first ones to be considered to get enough resources so that we can be able to transform.
You are there. Tunaona Elgeyo Marakwet is a very rich county. But again, we acknowledge this is the home of champions. But today, from these discussions, we really sympathize with you because of the underfunding that this county is getting. Regardless of resources that you receive, which is compared to the other counties we've been to before, you can mobilize and attract partners to come and help this.
Gio mono ndenda rutwa betwe kahinda